Citroen C5 heater, blower motor and resistor location and removal. Keep in mind Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right. This process will be null and void for right-hand drive countries with the steering wheel on the left. And of course, as you go along the video, make sure everything looks the same. You do not want to remove items and it doesn't look the same as the video to your vehicle. Starting off, we'll remove this cover on the inside, and there's 2 torque screws on the side over here that you'll need to remove. Next, we will remove the courtesy light. On that side, there's a clip, so you'll need to have like a hook tool and unclip that side of the courtesy light and then unplug the courtesy light. On the inside to the back of the glove box, there is a torque screw that you need to remove. To the top over here, there are also 3 torque screws that you will need to remove on the inside of the glove box. Go ahead and remove all 3 of these torque screws. I do apologize for the blur on the recording. On the side, there is a cover over here. We will remove this cover. And then next, on the inside to the top, we'll remove this piece here by unscrewing. And then there's also another torque screw to the side of this piece over here. To remove the glove box lid, there is these white locating pins that you will need to remove in order to remove the glove box lid. So to do this, to the bottom there is a cover. Turn these to the left or anti-clockwise. There's 2 of these that hold this cover in place and 1 clip to the side. On that side over here, this is the clip. So you just need to press onto it like this. And we will remove this cover over here by removing this torque screw, and then you can slide this cover out of place. Now you can see these white clips. You'll need to pull these with your finger or with a flathead metal screwdriver. Pull them, and then you'll need to turn them either to the left or the right. It's hard to explain, but so pull it out. These pins are the things that actually hold the glove box lid in place. So when you pull it out like that and then turn it, and you can actually pull these out of place. There's 2 of these white locating pins that lock the glove box lid into position. And then you'll do the same thing for the other locating pin. And then open the glove box lid and it will come out of place. That's how the locating pins go in, the white ones. And to remove the remainder of the glove box, you need to remove the glove box lid in order to remove these 3 torque screws that just sit behind the bottom of the glove box lid. And then once you remove these torque screws, you can pull the glove box out of place. And the only thing you need to do is unplug this dead plug. And then the glove box is completely out of place. Now that the glove box is off, we have access, and we'll be removing this foam over here. And then you can see your blower motor over here. We're going to remove this vent, and with any job how you remove and replace things is how you put them back. And then that is our resistor over there. So we're going to unplug the heater blower motor first. You press on both sides of the plug simultaneously and then pull the plug off. And to remove the heater blower motor, you'll pull on the tab and turn it, I believe, clockwise or to the right. It's hard to record and do this at the same time. So you're going to try turning it to the right, and then you'll need to wriggle the blower motor out of place. At the end of this video, I'll put a video of how to test your heater blower motor. And so just gently, without forcing the blower motor or anything else, wriggle the blower motor out of place. So that tab over there, and then turn it. For the resistor, the same thing, unplug the resistor, and then you're going to turn it to the left or anti-clockwise. It's a bit hard to turn, but once you do turn it, it will come out of place. Continue watching to see the heater blower motor test video. Please have a read of the disclaimer, pause the video, and when you're ready, continue onwards. Today we're going to be testing heater blower motors, in particular motors that have 2 pins only, and you will see why. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Our first method, you can see these blower motors have 2 pins. We'll be running a continuity test, and what this does is sends a current through the unit to see if there's any obstruction or breakage in the circuit. Once you do this method, if it makes noise, that means that it does go through. So on your multimeter, set it to continuity. It'll look like this volume icon, and then touch the connectors to the heater blower motor pins, and then you should hear the following noise. You can also do resistance. So if it makes noise like that, its current is going through. The second method, actually bench testing, which I don't recommend doing at home, is giving electricity to the unit. Please be careful. Don't let the positive and negative cable touch each other under any circumstance. So as you can see, it's spinning. That means it works given electricity. And then finally, you'd want the wheel especially to not be wobbly. So over here, it should be very sturdy and not wobble at all, or otherwise it would make noise hitting around on the inside of the cabin. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.